Tumblr is not only a fun way to share your own stories and photos, but it's also a place to connect with friends and see what they're posting on their Tumblr log. To find some of your friends who may already be using Tumblr, just click on people you're following. Now you can enter in usernames of friends who are already using Tumblr and click on follow to find them. You can also enter in the URL of a friend's Tumblr log or their email address and click on follow. And here are 2 people I already know and I'm already following them. Tumblr will also suggest other users who I might enjoy reading. Just click on the name to view their Tumblr log. If you read through your content and you decide you like it, then you can follow them by clicking on follow. Now, when you follow people, their posts will be shown in your dashboard. That way, you'll never miss anything new. Everything you post and everything they post will be all in one location. You can read notes about a post, and you can click on Reblog to post this in your own Tumblr log with credit to this person. You can also show that you like the post by clicking on the heart and you'll be able to find it again easy. Thanks for watching and don't miss the next episode in Microblogging with Tumblr series.
Hey, this is Doc. If you're looking for a cheap and easy way to put your own content on the web, go get domain names from hover.com. Just visit hover.com/butterscotch and you'll get 10% off and support shows like these. Thanks.